Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Sangeeta's Cakes and More. So on this Raksha Bandhan, I have got an amazing recipe for you, and this is Badam Halwa. You might have known how to make Badam Halwa, but this time you will see how easy it is to make. It will take hardly 10 minutes. So let's start with it. I am taking around 100 grams of almond. I have already soaked them for good 4 to 5 hours. And I will be using these soaked almonds to make a paste out of it. For 100 grams of almonds, I have taken 50 grams of sugar. You can increase the amount or decrease the amount as per your taste. I have taken 40 grams of clarified butter, desi ghee. I am using Country Delight Desi Danedar ghee for this. And then 5 grams of crushed elaichi, cardamom powder, which you can get it from any grocery store. I have taken few strands and I have already soaked them. Few strands of saffron. Then I have taken 1 cup of lukewarm milk, and as per requirement I'll be using it while I grind the paste. I'm not peeling my almonds, as these peels also have very good nourishment into it. They are high antioxidants, they have high antiviral properties also. So let's start making it. So this is my mixture after grinding. This should be consistency. It should not be flowy, neither be too hard. So now I will start making my almond halwa, badam halwa. I am taking 1 serving spoon of desi ghee, clarified butter 1.5 spoon, and I'll keep around 1.5 for later use. All through the time my flame will be slow to medium, not on high flame. So now we will start roasting this. On a moderate flame. It takes around 5 to 6 minutes, stirring it continuously. As I told you, with almonds, I have already churned all my elaichi, my cardamom powder, and milk. So for around 100 grams of soaked almonds, we need almost a cup of lukewarm milk. So for around maximum of 5 to 7 minutes, I'll stir it. The milk has started evaporating now. You can see. And the mixture is getting thickened, so we need a little more thick, and by the time the almonds will also be roasted nicely. As we are using less amount of ghee comparatively to the conventional way, nowadays we eat less of desi ghee or any sort of oils. So that is the biggest reason I am taking a little less amount of desi ghee for this halwa. aroma of roasted almonds. At this point, I'll put more of ghee. As I told you, I have already left around 1.5 spoon. So in all, I am using around 40 to 50 ml of desi ghee. Now you can see it's getting roasted. The color is also changing. I'll be using saffron strands at the end. The flame should be moderate to slow. Never use a high flame for heat. I have used my ghee in 3 portions. I have divided in 3 portions and using as per the requirements. So take hardly 10 minutes. If you have nicely soaked them for around 5 to 6 hours, it takes hardly 10 minutes. So this Raksha Bandhan, enjoy badam halwa with your brother. Make and let everybody enjoy this traditional halwa in just 10 minutes. As you can see, the halwa is almost done. It is releasing oil on the sides. So now I will serve it. Thanks for watching my videos. So I am going to enjoy my badam halwa. So you also make and write down in the comments how did you like the recipe. And enjoy your Raksha Bandhan with your siblings. Happy Raksha Bandhan.